Come on, Stephanie.
So we started our business in 2008 during the recession, just out of necessity. We joined Howard's group in 2012 when it was just Jeremy and myself. We had no team members, no nothing, barely any sales. And on March 16th, we sold it.
And you've been on like a 2-month vacation since then.
And the thing is, we sold it for so much money that I'm not saying this to sound boisterous or brag, but we sold it for so much money that we never have to work again.
Wow.
But we are going to work.
What are you going to do, by the way?
Work for you.
No, you're going to work for yourself. So tell them what you're doing now.
So we want to help other people do that because we didn't think that that would ever happen. You know, we thought we were just going to be on this roller coaster for the rest of our life. So we want to help other people who feel like that. So we're franchise phenomenal business coach owners now.
Yay. Rock star. Hey, you remember I told you, right?
I do.
Yeah.